Okay, let's take a look at our Serenity Journaling Kit. The journaling kit is so popular, and it's really not hard to see why. This kit is based on the idea that most of the items included have a low profile. So if you're using a notebook with Tomoe River paper, or a planner, or a bound notebook, you can rest assured that these won't add a ton of bulk and will not make your notebook or planner at the end of the year super chunky. So these items are fantastic for that. Now let's start with the washi tape that's included in the Serenity Journaling Kit. It is a beautiful, it has a pink background, and it just has a variety of leaves and cherry blossoms. So pretty, so pretty. I just love the pink background. It's gorgeous. Okay, so the kit also comes with this decorative card, super pretty, but on the back it also includes 10 journaling prompts. So if you need a place to start, you want to journal, you're just not sure how to get started, or if you like listing or anything like that, these are wonderful. We also include 2 sheets of rub-on transfers that they're just beautiful. They're absolutely stunning. And you not only have, sorry about that, those are upside down. You not only have decor, but you also have, for example, here you have the days of the week. You have the words that can be used in, again, journaling, planning, whatever the case may be, however you like to use them. And then we also include these sticker sheets. Now these are printed on our Vellum sticker paper, and there are 6 sheets of stickers. So there's a wide variety here. Let's go through those. So these are a little bit thinner than traditional paper. That's one of the things that we love about these. So you have days of the weeks, and then you also have dates. Then you just have some really beautiful decorative elements. So both the regular stickers and then also the strips, which I personally love the strips because I love washi, but sometimes you don't want a whole roll. You just want a little accent or something like that. Same thing here. Then you also have this entire background sheet that these are really cool because this entire red pattern is just a big sticker. So I'm going to pull this up. You can see the whole thing is just a big sticker. Yep, and I like to cut it up, so use like things from the corner or stuff like that in my projects. Sometimes journaling, sometimes in my diary, those types of things. And that's the same for this one as well. So for example, I might cut out this portion of it right here with the flowers and the characters, and then add that to a corner or something like that. So you can see, again, it's just a whole sheet, and you can pull that, or you can use the whole sheet as it is. It's so pretty. And then we also have the alphabet stickers as well. So this is just such a usable, versatile, low profile kit for those of you that don't want to add a lot of bulk. Okay, we're going to take a look at our Serenity Deluxe Journaling Kit, and the Deluxe Journaling Kit remains incredibly popular, and once we take a look at it, you will definitely understand why. It's kind of like a hybrid kit, and first of all, it comes in the wonderful packaging. It is a sturdy plastic envelope that has an enclosure. It's great for storage, great for taking various places. And what I mean by a hybrid kit is that it includes some elements from our planner kit, some elements from our journaling kit, and then also has a handful of items on its own. And it works great for scrapbooking. It works beautifully for journaling or in a planner or anything else you do on paper. This is the scallop washi tape that is included this month, and it is fantastic. It's just so usable, and it's going to work with a wide variety of things that you're doing. Okay, so let's start with the pattern papers. There's 3 pattern papers, and these are included in the planner kit. look at that gorgeous cherry blossom right there. These sheets are 13 by 8.5, and they're folded in half, so you can use them in a variety of ways. But look at that, so pretty. I'm absolutely obsessed with that little cherry blossom tree right there. Then we also have this one right here. So similar artwork, but not the same. And this has the same scallops as the washi tape. Then we also have this black and white with the circles. And then on the inside, you have this navy floral as well. Okay, so now we also include each month a couple of specialty papers. So first we have this gold foil vellum. I hope you can see that foil, I'm sorry. It's so beautiful. And then we also have this crepe paper, which will be incredible for layering and adding texture to all your different things. So I can absolutely see tearing off like a little portion and have it layered underneath a photo or a die cut, something like that. It's just so beautiful. Okay, and then exclusive to this kit are 2 sheets of subtle paper. And by subtle, we mean that they're perfect for layering. So both of these are a ledger, and they're just wonderful underneath other things. I mean, obviously they're fantastic, so you can use them on their own, but they're just really meant to, again, go underneath something, peek out, but they're just so beautiful. I love them. They're really honestly a couple of my favorites. They're just so pretty. Okay, now we also include 2 sheets of roll-ons, and these are included in the journaling kit as well. I like to mention that because I know sometimes people aren't sure what kits include what, and so mentioning it is very important, especially for those people that are new to Cocoa Daisy. All right, so we also include this beautiful card, which one side has some art. It's wonderful, tucked inside a journal or a notebook, and then it also includes 10 journaling prompts as well. This is also included in the Serenity Journaling Kit. All right, so then we have a little pad of sticky notes. These are also in the planner kit, but if you just like to pull, write a little note to yourself, pull it off, and then stick it on the page of your planner or something like that, these are perfect for that. And the Deluxe Journaling Kit includes a stamp set, which this one is so cute. I absolutely love it. It's got the stamps, like postage stamps, shapes, but then it also, hopefully you can see in the corners, includes little florals as well. And then we have die cuts, and these are the same die cuts that are included in the planner kit. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. They're so pretty. So we have decorative ones, and then we also have tabs. You have a wide variety of items. So you have, the cherry blossoms, the fans, the text. There's just so many for adding cute little accents to your projects to make them more beautiful. I just absolutely love the little lanterns. Then we have this crane. It's just so striking. And then the woman with the umbrella, more cherry blossoms, and then we also have all of the tabs. Now, as a reminder, all of these are self-adhesive, so all you have to do is pull the back off and they are automatically a sticker. You don't need to worry about any adhesive or anything like that. So they're just fantastic for that purpose. Okay, and then last but not least, we have stickers. So we have the PET or the pet stickers, which these are just, they're so pretty. They feel so delicate, if you will. They're just absolutely stunning. You have the cherry blossoms, the 2 ladies, then you have the lanterns, so pretty. And then we also have the Vellum stickers, which are included in the journaling kit as well. All of the stickers are included. So you have the decorative elements plus the washi strips. And then you also have the alphabets. And then you have the 2 full sheets, which you can just pull the corners up and use the whole sheet as it is, or you can cut it apart or cut strips or however you like to use it. This is also the same. And then last but not least, we have the days of the week. So as you can see, with all of these different items, it's no wonder this kit is always so incredibly popular. The Deluxe Journaling Kit has basically everything. The kit is one of the coolest kits we offer, and why that is because it is not tied to any specific hobby. You can use this in scrapbooks, you can use it in journaling, planning, anything you'd like. It's just a fun array of supplies that will definitely spark your creativity. So this is our Serenity Journaling Kit, or Stationery Kit, I'm sorry, and it is so cool and just really, really beautiful. Now, this particular kit comes with a couple of pieces of specialty paper, one of which is a acetate sheet of it's just beautiful. It is a overlay, so you can place it on top of anything basically, but it's, you know, just like a transparency, and it's gorgeous, and it's also just really versatile. So you could use it as it is, but if you want to cut it up, that also works wonderfully too. We also have a sheet of printed vellum as well, and this is so beautiful. There's just really something about the vellum that's included. The texturally and the sound of it is really incredible. Now this month we also have the 3 sheets of stickers. So there's a couple of beautiful, beautiful decorative stickers. And then there's also the days of the week. All right, so let's talk about the PET or pet stickers as well. They're gorgeous, right? And again, they're so thin, kind of like the rub-on transfers, in that you barely even know they're there. And they definitely have such a low profile in your projects too. They're gorgeous. All right, so we also include this beautiful textured postcard. It's almost like watercolor paper. And then on the back side is this. Now you could obviously send it like a regular postcard, but I absolutely love including it in my projects. We have a self-adhesive printed pen loop. And as you can see, you can just simply slide your pen in there, right? And you can remove the adhesive on the back and just place it wherever you want. So in your notebook, in your planner, whatever works. I love that thing. This month we also have a beautiful vinyl sticker that says "Enjoy the little things," and a round sticky notes. Yep, that's right. I love the shaped ones. They're always so cute to me. And a round one is wonderful because they work obviously fantastic for sticky notes. Like, oh, I want to drop something down and add it. But they also work so beautifully in layering on lots of different projects. Okay, so then we also have a roll of washi stickers. That's right. These are literally the texture of washi tape. So they're so cool, and the roll just goes on and on and on and on, and they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So you have the fans and the ladies with the umbrella and the cranes and the florals, just so many pretty images that are included. All right, and then we also have the vellum die cuts. Just like the rest of our die cuts, these have a self-adhesive back, and they're so pretty, and they just feel so delicate and beautiful. I absolutely love them. So you of course have the gorgeous florals that you would expect, all of the lovely cherry blossoms. And then you also have the different characters. That's the one for joy. And then these black and white, which I think would be so fun to color in myself with either alcohol markers or permanent markers. And then you have the beautiful woman with the umbrella, the lanterns, and then more of these florals too. So pretty. And like I said, these are vellum and they're self-adhesive, so you don't even have to worry about any sort of adhesive to stick them to your projects. All right, and then last but not least, we have the beautiful little pin. Now, this is the crane with the rising sun, and on the back, it does have a pin back. And so you can use it just like a pin, put it on your pouch, anything like that. But you can also remove this pin and use it on this giant paper clip that we also do sell in the store. And so then it becomes a beautiful paper clip if you'd like to use it that way once you've removed the pin backing, which is easy to do. You just pull that right out of there. All right, so that is our gorgeous Serenity Stationery Kit.